Good day, everyone. My name is Benedict Laron, aspiring to be a marine engineer in a cruise ship. I want to become a marine engineer because I'm fascinated with machineries and how it functions and how it operates. Another reason why I want to become a seafarer because I want to travel the world, explore different culture, and make connections with multiple diverse people around the globe. Helping my family with financial needs is also a reason why I became a seafarer, and also I came from generations of seafarers. I am also building myself to become physically and mentally fit for this journey. I am also willing to face the hardships of being a seafarer, including being away from the family, friends, and the things I do. Be able to be independent and stand on my own feet. I am excited for the future, that for what awakes me and unlock my full potential as I pursue my goal in life. Exciting parts of my life and celebrations that I will miss because it will become the fruits of my labor, but in the end, it's how life goes. And that's all. Thank you.